Hi everyone, today we're gonna install this unit for 2012 to 2016 Honda CRV with the low trim vehicle. As you can see, this two frame is that we removed from the factory with the van. And once we remove it, we're gonna install on this left and right side. And this is the unit that we are doing. And it's fully touch screen and come with two knobs on each side. And also we have two different devices, one with the MTK and the other one with the 4G LTE capability on the unit. And this is the iDrive you can add on to the unit. This is the harness, USB cable, GPS antenna, and this unit comes with Wi-Fi functions and is Android 9.0 and 8.1. Okay, so we're gonna show you how to install the unit, and we're gonna show you what's the difference between the one with MTK and the one with 4G. Hello, this is the unit for 2016 Honda CRV with the low trim, and we install the unit with 4G functions. And this is the unit, and this is the main menu, and we have navigation, radio, apps, power, and music. The power one, you need to order a special module to have different driving mode. This one comes with Eco, Normal, Comfort, Sport, and Race. And you need to enter the password to unlock this function with the module together. And now we go to the main menu of the apps. You can have all the information or the application here. You can install the apps from Play Store. You can play video, music, YouTube. And this unit comes with DSP functions, which is here. Then you can do different equalizer, surrounding sound system adjustment, bass, and also there's an option to add this iDrive in the cup holder. So when you turn the knob, it will change the song. And you can set these 4 buttons as a navigation or back buttons. And when I press the back button, it go back. When I turning the knob, it turns. And you can, when you push the knob down, and you can enter the apps menu. And you can set up the other button as a radio, as a Bluetooth, and as a navigations. So you can set up the way that you want by going to the applications, which is apps, and you can do it on the iSave. So this is the way you can set up the way on the buttons for the iDrive. And this unit also retain the factory steering wheel volume up and down and next track, previous track, but it won't retain the answer hand up buttons, and also retain the factory backup camera. Also, you can add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which is to add this dongle that we are selling. If you're interested on this unit, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 to have further information. Thank you. Have a great day. And you can add wireless CarPlay or wired CarPlay for iPhone and Android phone on this device. And this is the one with MTK without 4G functions. If you're interested on this device, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. Thank you.